Hello guys, what's up? I'm Surush Designer. This is the part 2 of the house designing tutorial in the Inkscape and SketchUp. So actually you remember this photo I modeled at the previous session, at the previous video. So I'm gonna set these materials on my screen, but I don't know how exactly I want these materials, not another materials. So I start with the colors. I'm gonna click on the color named. In this place we have something about slate gray or dim gray, so I'm gonna find this color, maybe something about that, not bad. I click on my component, I'm gonna set it, but I'm not sure is that really liked it or not. So we have some color about match color, but it only work on the SketchUp environment. But another option we have in here is a match color on the screen. When I click on it, so just review it. At first I'm gonna select, for example, my material like this. We have two parts. I'm gonna come to the in model materials. My material is that slate gray. I come to the edit window and we have some option called match color on the screen. I'm gonna click on it and now I click on the color I want. Now this is our color from this side. For this big extrudation I'm gonna set another color like that. I come to the edit window, match color on the screen, and I'm gonna click on this photo like that. Very simple and easy and very useful. So for the window frames I'm gonna use this main color. So I open my group, I click on some color, set this color for all of my window. Don't worry about the glass, I'm gonna set it next. I click on the edit window and I click on my photo, match color, photo like this, and I set this color for all of my windows like that, like this, and downstairs windows as the same. So now I want to set the glass for it. So I'm gonna come and pick up the glass material from here. I want to choose translucent glass blue. So I'm gonna click on it. I come to the edit window, match color on screen, and I set it like that. So I use this glass for all of my windows like this. Very simple and easy and very useful. Like this, as you can see. So our colors are done. Come for the doors. I want to use this door color exactly for my doors. I'm gonna open the component. I come to the in model. I set one of these colors to my door. I come to the edit window, match color on the screen, and I click on that. So now I want trans glass again, so I set this color for it. The handle is something about maybe dark gray, so I'm gonna set it on it like this, and I think it's good, but a little bit metallica. I'm gonna set it on my motor render. So come to this partition. This partition is a black too. I'm gonna set this color for my partition. I come to the edit, match color, and set this color like that. Completely exactly same as the picture. So let's get to the walls. I think this was something about concert or the plastica. I'm gonna open this group. I'm gonna, for example, set another new color for it. For example, this type of color, something like pink. I come to the edit window, match color on the screen, and I click on it like that. And this place have the same like this, but in this place we have the woods. So I'm gonna come to this place. I want to cut up my face and model like that. Okay, or maybe I don't need it. I set one new color for this face. I come to the edit, match color on the screen, and I click on that. So if I want to use the SketchUp textures, I come to the landscape and fencing. We have some material, I think this one. It's not very bad, it looks like this. I come to the edit, match color, and set it like that. Very simple and easy and very realistic. So I'm gonna change the dimension of this texture. I want to use width something about 1.4 or 1, and height something about 2.6 like this, or maybe 4 or 6 like that. Now it's better. So I close my group, I come downstairs to the garage. This color is perfect. I think something about blue and black. I don't know what's the name of it, so I'm gonna set one new color for it. Randomizedly I'm gonna set it, for example something like this. Alright, and I come to the edit window, match color on screen. I click on that. Exactly, you can see we have same colors on both sides. So for interior place and inner place, I'm gonna zoom on it. Right side have different color and left side have different color too. So if I want to change it, this one is changed too. For this reason I'm gonna click on it, right click, and make unique. Now these two components are defeated and we have some new components, so they don't work with each other. I'm gonna set another color for this place, edit window, match color on screen, and I'm gonna click on that like this. And for this place, like this, the garage color same as the second floor. I'm gonna click on the sample paint, use this for this. Very simple and easy. So I choose red color for the interior, match color on the screen, and I click on this place. As you can see, we create this model, I think lower than 10 minutes. So for these edges I created, I want to use another unique color. I'm gonna call it Bisco, edit window, and I click on that like this. And for this again, about the roof, we have some roof, I think it's black. I'm gonna set some new material for it, for example yellow. And now I'm going to the edit window, match color on screen, and paint this like that. Okay, and what about the garage doors? Right side is the white and left side is the black. I think it's different, so I'm gonna right click on and make unique. I want to set some randomized material, for example some material called teal. I come to the edit window, match color, and I set it like that. And for this side I'm gonna set some other material like light sea green. I come to the edit window, match color on the screen, and zoom on my garage, and I click on it. Very simple and easy. So as you can see, we can create this, I think under than 10 minutes. So I want to set some camera position like that, close the material, maximize my screen, 3.3 is our height, or 3.6, camera 2-point perspective, Ctrl S. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, don't forget it. At the next video I'm going to show you how you can render exactly like this photo. So I think it's closed. I come to the file manager, wood facet. I'm going to show you how you can exactly create this with this type of objects and subjects. So like and subscribe, don't forget it. We need your support, and good.